Hey, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your domain name with the Firebase hosting. So let's start with the basics. To put it simply, domain name is a string that a user types into the search bar in order to visit a particular website. You can buy yourself a domain name from many websites, but I would recommend Google Domains. It's pretty easy to get one. What you have to do is click on Get a New Domain and follow the instructions. The steps are very clear and the process is so simple that I'm positive you can do it on your own. I already have a domain and I'm gonna use it to connect it to my Firebase hosting. I'm gonna click on our domain name now, and then we're gonna open Firebase hosting. Let's click on Add Custom Domain and write the domain name. Then click on the Continue button. I'm gonna use the quick setup mode and then copy this IP value. Also, notice that its type is set to A. Go back to the Google Domains website and click on DNS. In the custom records, we have to select some options. I'm gonna set its type as A, then paste the IP address which I copied earlier, and let me set the TTL to 10 minutes. That is 600 seconds. I am going to keep the host name field empty as codingliquids.com is already added there by default. I'm gonna save it now, and it will take around 24 hours to propagate all the changes. Let me go ahead then and click on the Finish button in the Firebase. Then I'm gonna dismiss this suggestion. As you can see, it still shows needs setup here, but let's ignore that information for now. In a few hours, it's gonna change to pending, and after a few more hours, it's gonna change to connected. Great! Let me open the Google Domains page again, where you can turn on the domain name system security extensions that protect your domain from threats like DNS cache poisoning attacks and DNS spoofing. The next step is to click on Publish Records Now. And it's gonna take a few more hours to propagate. Let me wait a few hours and see what shows up then. So now that the time has passed, we can go to Hosting, and as you probably already noticed, we've got pending written instead of needs setup. And when we hover over it, it says this may take up to 24 hours. So be patient and sit tight for 24 hours, and the domain name is gonna be connected to Firebase hosting. See you in the next video.